Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to show you how we transformed our kitchen into a modern functional kitchen. I put a before picture which is not a video, but I just want to show you how it was transformed. It's looking lovely, it's functional. I'm loving everything in the kitchen. We put a lot of thoughts in designing this kitchen, and I would like to thank God as well. I'll put the information below. How to fire it and how to conduct it if you want a kitchen like ours. And everything is on spot. People and everybody is very lovely. If you want the tilers who did our walls and the people who did our worktop, I have all the information. They are so professional. We have also the electrician and the plumber who was working in conjunction with them. And the plumber ended up doing the whole plumbing system for the whole house because the old plumber who started with the whole plumbing did a crap job and we didn't have water for 3 days. That's another story for another day. But when you're choosing a plumber, please choose the one who went to college to do it, not the one who learned from living house, because it can be annoying when they make mistakes. I'll leave you to watch this video.
Okay.
To the best holiday ever with the girls. We are going with the boys. That's so nice. With the boys.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, it's very smooth. No, it's not small though.
For being whiskey, it's
Yeah, that's very smooth. And you're a whiskey drinker? Right, let's park. See?
Where the church supposed to be.
There. They are nice. I'm going to use them for display. There. They are heavy though. Yeah, I thought I broke them. Oh, that's why you said you can't do it anymore. It's a lot of work. And I'm going to change it.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, but it just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry. You're right. Just leave me alone. Every time you wake up, you're changing time. Now I feel like everything was good and you feel